Select an activity or period to which you want to associate an object. Choose an object directly from the BIM model. Click the Add button in the Associated Objects section. You have 3 functions to manage object addition. Reset selected objects. Remove all objects linked to an activity or a period. Add selected objects. Associate the selected objects to an activity or a period. Set selected objects. Associate or replace the objects of an activity or a period with the selected ones. View the added objects in an organized structure. Delete individually any object you have added. Select an activity or period to which you want to associate an object. Choose an object directly from the tree structure. Set the selected objects. Access the Advanced Options section to perform checks on periods and model objects. Enter a period ID to locate it in the structure. Check periods with no associated objects. Verify periods to which the selected object is associated. View objects that have never been associated with a period.